Go to Laravel official website, click on Installation. After installing PHP and Composer in previous videos, now time to install Laravel Installer using Composer. After installing PHP and Composer, now time to install Laravel using Composer. Command is on your screen. Globally install Laravel. Composer is a dependency manager and now it will download all the packages and install packages. Process is going on. Composer will install all the required packages or dependencies related to Laravel. It's going to finish. Keep yourself with us, process is almost going to complete. It's completed now. I need to check the version on Laravel Installer using the command on your screen. Don't forget to subscribe channel. Thank you for watching.